Alright, so welcome back to White House Farm. What we're working on today is our rolling table saw from Dewalt. It's been sitting here and I've been meaning to get to it, just got so many different things going on. So this kind of got put on the back burners. But because my goats have now been coming in here and chewing away on the box, we need to get this thing put together. This is what's left. And this is the number, DW7440RS. Once again, DeWalt rolling table saw. And as you can see, they did a nice number on the box. I even had some chickens up here the other day trying to lay eggs, so I said, yep, it's definitely time to put this thing together. So let's get it out and get it put together. See, what did I tell you? I'm pulling the box out, and look at, there's eggs back there. Alright, so let's see what we got here. Tires. Alright, and the stand itself. Get this out of the way. And yes, I was able to save the directions and all the washers, bolts, and nuts that came with it from being eaten. Alright, we got this box here, which they didn't get to rip into. Let's see what's in here. Alright. That's it for that. Let's see what we got in here. Alright. And we'll open this up. There's our directions. And there's all of our connectors and bolts and everything. Alright. So take our axle here and we're going to line it up with these two holes right here. And you can see it's got the two markings right here. Open up our bag here. So it's going to be the two long bolts with the square here, because that's what's going to fit through the tubing. And like this. Put one in. And two. We're going to need two washers, one, and where's our other one? Right there. Two. And it says to use the lock nuts. So you got regular nuts, and then you got your lock nuts, which have the plastic inside. So that's what you're going to put on here. And it's going to be a 13 mil. And you're going to tighten it down. we got our axle attached now. Alright, so now we're going to take our wheels, and this is the portion that's going to face the inside. So you're going to slip this on, just like that, and you're going to put a washer on there, and a lock washer. And we'll go ahead and tighten it up. Okay, that's on there tight. Let's do the other side. Once again, put the wheel on. Put a washer. And where's our lock nut? Yep, that's it. Alright, so that's on there now. Alright, so now we're going to get the kickstand. And there's 2 holes on each side. Let's flip this over. And this is going to go in here like this. Get this in here, and you can see those 2 holes down there. You want to line them up with this here. So this is actually going to go up against there, so we got to pull this out just a little bit. Alright, let's go ahead and open up this bag here. So here's our Allen wrench and our 4 screws we got to put in, and then these are like the end stoppers for the tubing. And they actually have a little slit in them, so when they're inside there, you can go ahead and attach that like that. Alright. So we got these through here, and we're going to line up the 2 holes with the 2 holes in here. But first, let's go ahead and put these plugs in here. And there's little notches here where you can store the Allen wrench, so you can face that down so you can go ahead and get at them very easily. So we'll bring this forward now, and we'll try and line this up. You can see where these turn, so you just want to line it up so you can get the screws through. You don't want it like that. You want it so the holes are like that. Alright, now we can start these by hand. Now we tighten them all up. Alright, so we got that all hooked up, and then look at, now we can take this, yep, and store it right in there. Alright, so now we can flip this thing around and attach our 2 rubber bumpers here. These guys. And we got our 2 screws with washers. And then we got our 2 little lock nuts. Now we'll tighten it up. Get one on here. Alright, so those are on. Now we can go ahead and press this in, and we'll pull the legs out. Now, in order to put your mounting brackets on, you can see it says lift here. So this springs like that, but you got to press this all the way down so that comes out, and then all the way up. And that'll give you the distance you need. Then you're going to hook this end first, and then slide this on. So hook this end first, and then slide that on. Now it's on there. Same thing. We want to press down all the way, and then we can go ahead and hook this part on first. There we go. So just like our cordless chop saw, we got the cordless table saw, and these bolts and washers that you have left over are what you're going to use to mount your table saw onto these. So you're going to have to measure the distance in between the holes of your table saw to get it to mount on properly. But at least you got this all together now, and very simple and easy to break down. So break it down. You're simply going to squeeze in on here and push in till you hear it click like that. Same thing here. And here. And here. And now you can wheel it around. So this definitely gonna make it easy for if you got to bring it somewhere around a house, you know, out back somewhere. And it's got this nice handle on here for pulling it and carrying it around. And the handle does move up and down. So you can have it like that, or you can pull out. Just like that. And you can move it around. So that's how you assemble the DW7440RS rolling table saw stand. And very simple, easy to use, and you'll be using these once you get your table saw in there, no matter what type of table saw you're using or what kind, as far as brand and stuff. You can mount others on here. Just you have to line up the holes correctly, and then you can space this wherever you want on here to get it to hold. So throw this back on. Simple as that. So we're all set here. Been wanting to get this out of the box. Goats were eating it. Chickens were laying eggs on it. So we don't have to worry about that anymore. So we're all set here. So once again, we hope you like, enjoy, subscribe, and as usual, we'll see you on the next one. All right, bye guys.
You can't say goodbye without saying goodbye to me.
All right, Olaf. We'll see you on the next one. All right, bye, Obo.
Hi, guys.